Masya Allah, ini ada bunga. Ini sepertinya dari Bray, karena ini pot bunganya ada. Dan hari ini saya dapat kartu dari Bray. Ini kayak rumah kami ini jauh-jauh sekali gitu ya. Padahal hanya atas dan bawah saja. Ini saking jarang sekali sekarang udah ketemu dengan Bray. Ini udah kayak anak bujang aja Bray ini. Sampai ulang tahun pun bunganya disimpan di luar rumah. Dia sibuk sekarang pemirsa. Dia bukan lagi move on sekarang, tapi run on, alias berlari dia. Kalau kemarin susah dia bergerak, sekarang udah berlari, nggak bergerak lagi dia. Setiap hari dia main golf aja, nggak ada di rumah. Kami tuh nggak pernah ngeliat dia lagi. Jarang banget ya. Setiap kali ke rumahnya udah nggak ada, jadi keluar aja. Oh ya bener, ini dari Bray nih. Jadi pemirsa, kalau udah lama nggak video dengan Bray, nggak ketemu dengan Bray, emang udah jarang sekarang karena sibuk. Braynya sibuk dengan dunianya, dia bermain golf aja dengan teman-temannya ya, keluar rumah. Apalagi cuaca cerah seperti ini, cerah banget hari ini. Kita beresin nanti acara Icip-icip internasional. Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di Yunileisure channel di acara Icip-icip internasional. Dan hari ini sangat cerah sekali pemirsa, ini musim panas yang kami rasakan saat ini ya, baru merasakan panas dan cerah banget. Karena kemarin itu di Icip-icip internasional, dokter gigi dentis tim ngasih saya hadiah bunga dan juga kartu ucapannya pada staff-staffnya itu pada ngasih kartu ucapan. Jadi hari ini di hari ulang tahun saya, biasanya saya merayakannya bersama mertua. Nah, berhubung mertua saya sudah tidak ada lagi pemirsa, terutama Daya, karena Daya itu pencinta kue. Jadi kalau makan bareng Daya itu enak sekali makan kuenya karena sama-sama penyuka kue. Kalau yang lainnya Ricci, Dallas hanya lemon cake aja. Kalau Bray juga nggak begitu ya. Jadi nggak ada temen lagi saya makan kue di hari ulang tahun saya. Jadi hari ini saya akan merayakan ulang tahun bersama dentis, tim dentis. Kami akan makan kue bareng-bareng. Kali ini saya akan bikin kue yang tradisional dan kue-kue yang modern. Jadi digabungin antara yang tradisional dan modern. Jadinya bentuknya bagaimana? Lihat saja nanti. Tradisional digabungin dengan konsep modern ya, jadinya seperti ini. Hari ulang tahun saya masih buka ya, yang kemarin-kemarin sudah order, sudah dikirim ya. Jadi kirimnya antri, yang invoice duluan aja dikirim ya. Jadi sabar menanti ya pemirsa. Ada 5 isinya, mix, original, triple coklat, dan oatmeal. Dan juga dengan kaleng spesial Yunileisure, karena ini produk trademarknya Yunileisure ya, cookies. Yang bisa menebak berapa banyak sih kelopak bunga yang ada di kue ulang tahun ini, saya akan kasih skincare, Happy Skincare, karena itu produk saya ya. Dan saya juga akan kasih cookies, Yunileisure cookies. Silakan berkomen ada berapa kelopaknya. Gampang banget deh jawabannya, pasti tahu semua ya. Sekarang kita lihat bagaimana reaksi mereka. Saya kasih kejutan karena hari ini saya nggak kasih bilang-bilang ke mereka ya. Karena kemarin juga mereka kasih saya ulang tahun bunga dan kartu ucapan juga. Mereka nggak kasih tahu saya. Saya antar ini aja biar makannya bareng-bareng kue ulang tahun ini bersama mereka. Oke, kalau gitu kita lihat reaksi mereka bagaimana.
It's so beautiful. Please take a picture.
Yeah, sure.
They put a drain in for now.
It's so lovely.
You can take some home then.
No, amazing. But hopefully Hannah will be here in a bit.
Okay, yeah.
It will fall off though.
That looks amazing. See that is really.
In my uniform and my whole arm sort of.
Do you make birthday cake?
Everything.
It's incredible, isn't it? So thank you so much. You're so kind.
And you surprised me on Friday. Give something for you.
That's so cute, like to give back. Happy birthday. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Colin, do you really trust me holding it? Beautiful.
Thank you so much. What a surprise.
Incredible.
And is it all for me?
Yes.
We can share. This is amazing.
Oh, that is
We've got
absolutely
macaroons.
beautiful. Yeah, so macaroons. Are they kind of like fruit cakes or sponges? Or
Lemon cake.
lemon cakes, wow. And then what are
It's a
the
tofu.
the ones that look like vol-au-vents?
Tofu and then spring rolls.
And spring rolls. And what's in the spring rolls?
Chicken.
Ooh.
Wow.
So everything is savory and sweet mixed together.
Savory, yeah.
Traditional to modern.
Little rose petals on
That's incredible. Do you want us to like come forward and have a little look, everybody?
Okay.
So what she's made. My mouth's watering now just even thinking about it. It's so lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Last time you surprised me, now this time I'm surprised you.
Well, that's definitely a surprise.
That's so
The
beautiful.
do we eat the petals as well?
Yes. How many petals in here?
How many petals?
I'll say
Okay.
50. I'll say 37.
This one, okay.
50.
50, 37,
48.
48. How about you, Vicky?
44.
44?
45.
45. Next week, if all of you win, I give the cookies.
Oh!
Yeah, sure.
So, do we know what if they said what they are?
So chicken spring rolls.
Yes.
So it's savoury and sweet. So you start on the outside and work your way in.
That's right. Yeah.
Can I just start with the sweet?
Yeah, sure.
One in.
Tofu with the mayonnaise and then halal beef.
Oh yeah.
I'm on my second spring roll already. They're quite spicy actually.
Yes.
The spice is just building up a little bit.
Come on, ladies. Don't be shy.
Oh, halal.
Yeah, don't worry.
Is that the mac?
Yes.
No one's hiding.
Yes, it's edible.
Oh.
What, the rose?
Yes.
It's edible.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that. Okay. You eat that one.
Well, Hannah's only going to get here when it starts.
That's okay.
Yeah. So better we cut.
Cut it now? If I go and get a knife.
I have a knife. Do you want to cut the cake?
Where do you want me to cut it? Do you want me to cut the top bit or the bottom
It's up to
bit?
you.
So this is all mine. Does anybody actually want to share my cake with me? Where would you want me to go? The top or the bottom?
It's up to you.
Bottom. Bottom. Yeah, but how am I going to take that one off and pop it down on the
Yeah,
side?
yeah, do that. That looks too nice to cook.
How am I going to do it?
No, put the top then, Connie, go on.
Yeah, but I can't just cut all the way through it. Is it okay if I take the top one off?
It's fine.
Oh dear.
Oh, that's it.
What did you make the petals out of?
Yes,
Icing?
petal icing.
Icing.
Yes. That is good enough. That's it. Yeah. Everything edible.
Is that very sugary, Carl? Nice. Hi,
Amanda.
Hello. We just got one of our notifications. You okay?
Gotta sit here. You're going to eat it, okay?
Everybody ready for some lemon drizzle?
Yeah.
What's this about?
Shall I get some? So, Yuni, she's got a YouTube, and she comes here on a Friday for us. And she'll do like macaroon. Homemade ones. And it's Yuni's birthday today.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Because
Did you make it?
Yes.
Oh, that's so fantastic.
Everything is handmade.
Really?
I mean,
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Do you take orders for the cake?
Shiva,
Thank you, then.
happy birthday.
To
Vicky as well.
Thank you.
Some petal there.
Yes, I'm going to Season. You don't want some bubble?
Thank you. Thank you, Yuni.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah, what a good idea, and then drizzles and something that everybody likes as well.
You go in there. Ask the girls in there if they would like some.
Anybody else for
Anyone
anyone?
else? You can have two. Colin, that one's for you then. No, I'm not eating two.
No, Colin, we will take, I think, in the...
Anybody spare pepper? Have you got a pepper?
This is why we don't want to cut this one, Vicky.
I know.
You'll take that.
Vicky.
Taking it home. I know.
That's
You got
awesome.
yours. Oh,
Thank you
that's
so
it.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for making it. It was amazing.
This is really delicious.
I'm always doing cardio and I get by the time I get to in the car. Yes, but that's all.
I love that.
I bet now you can have
Can we offer you a drink or anything?
Oh,
you got one. Oh, no, that's cool.
You want to take?
Would
No,
you like
thank
some
you.
cake?
Thank you, no.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think I've had enough.
Sure.
Thank you, babe.
Hello,
Oh, not in a minute. Thank you.
Careful, please, Carter.
Anybody want any more?
No, that's no fun.
It's very nice. Okay.
Okay.
But it was lovely.
And we do seconds.
All thankfully. That was big white, big slice. Thank you so much, Yuni.
My pleasure.
This one's our sauce here.
Try it.
Just take it all home, that's fine.
Thank you.
Anybody need some tea, coffee?
Did you say the roses were edible?
Yes, edible. You can eat it.
Very hungry. Did you not like that? Pop it in here. Thank you so much, love.
My pleasure.
That was very nice. Thank you very much.
I'm having seconds.
No worry, Colin. All for you.
Normally for lunch I just have fruit. I don't eat anything naughty at all. So this is a real treat for me as well.
Don't worry, not every day. Thank you, sir.
I've had one of these and I had a slice of the cake.
I want my seconds of the cake.
Why not, Carl?
Yes.
Colin, are you taking this piece of the piece, Carl?
No, I could do.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
The only thing I haven't had is macaroons, so...
Oh, they're lovely, Carl. Very zesty. Really nice.
And also homemade. Yeah.
I think
It
it's
wasn't very
amazing.
difficult to make.
Yeah, it is.
Did you want your basket?
No,
Because I can put stuff on the plate, that's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah?
Oh, yes,
So
yes.
you can have your basket. Sorry, Colin, I'm not taking it away too soon.
Yeah.
I've got my eye from Colin.
We just finished the
Sorry, I know, you don't normally see me out of my uniform. I know, we're
It's so beautiful.
How was your day?
Good, good, thank you. So we have some in there.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, so
You look very nice.
you also very nice.
How was your birthday?
Yes, it's just 2 days make my day. This is great.
God asking you how old you are today. Sweet 16. She is very, very much younger than you would think. Yeah.
Thank
That was
you.
enough. We've got 3 minutes, right, going round.
Oh, thank you so much. I will go home. Yes, the cake again. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yuni. Happy birthday to you. Leave it to
And thank you so much for everything.
Thank you.
First, open your card, Mum.
Okay, let's mommy open the card.
Hello everybody, I'm eating the Christmas, Sorry, I'm scruffy. I've just got in from work.
So first, Mommy got for my special wife with love.
Oh, that's a shame. There's nothing in there.
Oh, nothing in there.
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear. Can you help Mommy to open inside then?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one of the three.
Can you give the clue?
Have a look.
Okay.
Pick one.
Pick one. Only 1 second. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's
Got one there. Ah, look at that. Open it up.
Are they good?
Very good.
Remember, this is only for Mummy. This is nobody else. Only Mummy's treat. You've got a choice. If you don't want that, you say I don't want that. You're going to choose another one. So are you rejecting the
No,
one
I
next
didn't
one?
say anything.
That one looks good.
Is it?
That one looks good.